UNgqongqoshe wezemfundo kusifundazwe eGauteng uMatome Chiloane usezwakalise ukushaqeka nokukhathazeka kulandela izigameko zokugwazwa kubulawe Abafundi Ababili okwenzeke ezigamekweni ezihlukene. Umfundi oneminyaka 17 ubudala webanga lesishiyagalombili uGrade 8 ngolwasemzini obefunda eForest High School uhlaselwe budebuduze neRotunda Park ngolwesihlanu. Kwathi umfundi kaMatikletsheni obefunda eDelview Secondary School yena-ke wagwazwa ngomsombuluko e-Ennerdale. Kanti amaphoyisa ayaphenya ngalezi zigameko njengoba uMnyango uthumeleke futhi usizo lokwelulekwa ngokwengqondo wabeke sebenxusa nomphakathi ukuthi ufake isandla ekuvikeleni abafundi.
The Gauteng Education MEC Ummatome Chiloane is devastated following the news of 2 learners being fatally stabbed in separate incidents. It is alleged that a 17-year-old Grade 8 boy learner from Forest High School in Johannesburg was severely beaten and stabbed on Friday, the 20th of March 2026. Now, this happened in a park near the school after schooling hours, while a grade 12 learner from Daleview Secondary School in Ennerdale was fatally stabbed on Monday, the 23rd of March 2026, in an open field while walking home after school. Preliminary reports indicate that the Forest High learner was allegedly beaten and stabbed last week Friday at a park in the area, and the learner severely sustained injuries during the incident and was initially rushed to a local hospital before being transferred to another. And that's where the learner succumbed to the injuries. In a separate incident, the department has been informed that a grade 12 learner from Daleview Secondary School was stabbed to death in the field between the school and a local shop while walking home. The learner sustained injuries and unfortunately died. The circumstances surrounding these incidences are being investigated by the police. Our psycho support team will be dispatched to both schools to provide necessary support. The MEC has conveyed his condolences to the families, friends, and the school communities.